It feels like Levan Saginashvili's time at the top is over and he won't be able to beat Devon in their next super match. In his recent video, Levan shared the big practice organized at the AWC Garzalebi Club, including Devon Larratt and Levan himself. First of all, we saw Devon versus Bacho. Bacho managed to pin Devon a couple of times, but then even from a completely dead stop, I wouldn't even say Devon was close to the pin pad. He was literally pinned at the table, and even from there, Devon was able to lift Bacho's whole arm up and crack his wrist back. That was impressive. I think I remember well that this wasn't Devon's first day of practice in Georgia. He already had some practice pulls even before that. And yet, him being able to lift Bacho's arm up and crack his wrist like that is beyond impressive. I wasn't expecting that. Then Otari Saginashvili pinned Devon's left arm about 7 times before Devon finally put a break on him, and from there he couldn't do anything against Devon. Then we saw Levan Saginashvili versus this guy, who apparently almost took Levan's hand. Not almost, but Levan actually had to resort to a flop press to beat him. So Levan literally arm wrestled like Michael Todd to beat this guy. Then we saw this blue shirt guy versus Levan briefly on the right arm, where Levan lost to him, and then on the left arm too, where Levan lost again. Then we saw Bacho Saginashvili versus Levan Saginashvili. Even Bacho was pinning Levan, although Bacho couldn't do anything against Irakli. He kept on saying that his wrist is completely gone. I don't think he had any injury there, but maybe he was saying that just because he got exhausted after pulling Devon Larratt. And yet he was able to beat Levan. So judging by these practice pulls, I think it is good for Levan that Devon didn't accept the match in December, because as good as Levan is during his preparation for super matches, as strong as he has gotten in the past, we have proof of that. I don't think he would have been able to beat Devon this time if the match was actually confirmed. And the same would have happened if Levan accepted the Vitaly Laletin match. I think Vitaly would have cracked him too. Before this blue shirt guy arm wrestled Levan, he arm wrestled Devon on both arms. He cracked Devon a couple of times on the right arm, then Devon cracked his wrist, but surprisingly he had a flop press, so he was still able to go through Devon. The same thing was repeating on the left arm when Devon cracked his wrist. He didn't have a flop on the left, so he couldn't pin Devon. Then Devon arm wrestled Bacho Digmilashvili, and Bacho was pinning Devon multiple times before Devon put the brakes on him. And he did that on both arms. Devon had to really tire him out before he could stop this young guy. And he's just 17 or 18 years old. And obviously, Orden couldn't do anything against Bacho Saginashvili. He even stopped Orden at the center for a long time for him to figure out whether endurance can really be a factor in this pull or not. But it wasn't. In fact, Orden wasn't able to do anything against anyone at this club because everyone took his pronation. And once his pronation was gone, it was exhausted, his King's move was completely ineffective. And finally, Devon Larratt versus Levan Saginashvili. They didn't arm wrestle on the right arm, but on the left, Levan was able to get a surprise pin over Devon. And Devon immediately said that he needs to come back because he can beat Vitaly. That's how impressed Devon was. But immediately after that, when Devon was more prepared to handle Levan's power, he easily got the stop and he was easily able to bleed Levan out, bring him back and then pin him. If we go back a couple of years, it wasn't like that. Even during practice pulls, Levan was getting the better of Devon on both arms. But since their second super match, the first time they practiced was in that underground area. I think it was in Turkey. On Voice of Arm Wrestling channel, the video is. There, Devon was able to do very well against Levan on both arms. And now we are seeing this. So even in practice polls, beating Levan is a new thing for Devon. And that will really boost his confidence during their third super match. So the difference in their third super match will be that now Devon knows that Levan is stoppable. Even though in this state where he's literally practicing for the first time since December, he was injured. But his left arm wasn't injured. It's just untrained. So in this untrained state, Levan is kind of easily beatable. Even 70-80 kg Georgian guys were pinning Devon Larratt and Levan couldn't. Devon will definitely carry forward this information in their third super match, and so will Levan. Will it affect his confidence negatively? We'll have to wait and see. And Levan also revealed that until a couple of years ago, he didn't really know that there is a good side and a bad side to the strap. I'm guessing it was Devon Larratt who told him. So you can be number one in the world without knowing this thing, or is it really even a thing? I would like to know in the comment section whether you believe if Levan will be able to beat Devon in their third match. In this shape, I don't think so. Let me know in the comments.